Today I'm at the Bugis area. I'm going to explore the Malaysia of Singapore. You guys know what I mean, so just join me. I can hear the prayers now as I'm approaching the Sultan Mosque near the Arab Street. Wow.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.
Oh, look at all those souvenirs, Melayan. And the beautiful shop houses. Remind me of the decorations. I mean, the shop house in Chinatown, Juliet area, which is another area that I explore next few days. Honestly speaking, I'm not sure of this. I mean, some of the shops are here pretty new. I've never heard of them. Like the Shake House, also large. But I like the blue color shop house mix because my favorite color is blue.
Welcome, ice cream.
Look at that, man. It's actually a barber shop, but it looks so retro. And there's a red color Lebanese cuisine or Japanese halal. Wow. Oh, this Turkish restaurant is very retro. Designer kitchen. Opposite is Everett Street. There are more shops here. I love Singapore. Let's explore this one. Wow. It's a bar street, by the way. So Sophia Designs. And we are back to 36 Arab Street. Singapore food. Pizza. You know, this place reminds me of the Vivian in Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City. It's a kind of similar setup. But then in Vivian is one long walking street. Around here is a four corners. It's just like I show you guys in the session left, right, center, and right. As usual, the night scene is nice. There's even a tattoo shop here. Now that was all the pubs and bars that are Haji Lane right here. And there are some massage shops in the corner. Park Royal Hotel. And there's Singapore Flyer. I'm back to the CBD, right? Nice experience and tour today of this. I would say Little Malaysia of Singapore, where you see so many kind of stuff here. Arab Street, Haji Lane, and the famous Sultan Mosque. It's already 8:30 p.m. I'm lucky the rain has stopped just now. The rain was very heavy. And in front, walking back to the Bugis MRT, you see the first hospital. There's a landmark. Oh man, I think I saw some more pubs right there, man. It's a whole stretch now. Oh. Turkey chicks. Oh boy, they were edgy. Oh, the cat fortune right there.